Hi, my name is JJ Asghar, and you're here to figure out what YAML is and how it works with InstructLab. You probably decided to try to help out with our taxonomy repo or something else inside of InstructLab, and you see all these YAML files everywhere. And you're probably wondering what they are. So let's talk about that for a moment. First thing first, if you've never seen it, this is InstructLab. Go to github.com/InstructLab. It is a new open source project that will help you, yes, you, build LLMs with some very easy text and be able to commit them back to the project so we can start giving our LLMs new skills and knowledge moving forward. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. It's fun stuff. I do strongly suggest taking a look at this website if you haven't before. And also, if you can, read this document right here, which is right there in the middle. It is an academic paper, so there is a lot there. But it is good to know as you go down this path, you will get more and more skilled inside of it. But let's go back to helping commit your first YAML file to be able to help build the project even more. You've probably come across the taxonomy repo. That is pretty much where all the YAMLs will live and where we will take them. And I keep using this term YAML, and you're probably wondering what it is. So first thing first, this is YAML.org. This is the actual main website for it. As you see, YAML ain't a markup language. It is pretty easy to read, and I strongly suggest spending a couple moments on this website also, so you can get a little bit more context around it. But it's important to know that this is the one. So what we have is that taxonomy repo. As you see here, I have that repo pulled down called taxonomy, and I am in the directory of composition skills, role play, explain like I am a preschooler. So if you look, here's that Q&A.yaml, and I will open it up. Now, as you see here, it's all just normal text, which is pretty neat. And I'm going to go through what these are in just a moment. But before we do that, I want to thank Spacelift for this great tutorial on YAML. YAML tutorial, a complete guide with examples. Go ahead and Google YAML tutorial, it'll come up pretty quickly. But I wanted to highlight a couple things first about YAML and the differences between our taxonomy repo and generic YAML as a whole. First thing first, if you see this, it says YAML or YML. For our taxonomy repo, as of this recording of this video, you have to have the file as YAML. This is important to recognize and more important to say because our linting in our systems will not find anything else called anything other than .YAML. So make sure you do that. Next, here's a much easier reading of a YAML file. As you can see at the top here, we have these comment, which is really nice for YAML. So if you want to add comments to the document that you're doing, you're more than welcome to. Then we have a simple standard key value. So here's a key of company and a value of Spacelift. And then we have an array right here, which is a domain. And then with this dash, we have DevOps and DevSecOps. As you see here, we have seed examples, answer, question. In ours, because they are question answer pair, that's why you see the dash on answer here and here, because they are new things inside of the array, which is important to recognize, as you see here with the tutorial. Then we also have this published equals true. Inside of YAML, you can have true false statements also, which is important to recognize. If you take a look at this in an example again, you'll see that we have created by IBM Research, seed examples, Q&A answer, and then questions. And all the way at the bottom, we have a task description. Believe it or not, this is all you need to do to add to the new YAML that you want to create to be able to be successful. And that's pretty much it, which is probably the best part of this. It is just a little bit more. It's just a way to write out some files to be able to have the taxonomy added to it. And then you put the PR in. We have some linters to make sure that we get everything correct and the formatting's correct, which is great. And then from there, you're off to the races. So hopefully I'm excited to see what you decide to make. And I look forward to seeing your PRs. Thanks so much.